Hi, welcome to L1 Auto. This is 2016 T250 Ford cargo van. The mirror is broke, so I'm gonna replace this. So I'll show you how to replace that. So to open that, you need to open this. See the little, just pull it like this. See, there's a right there's a 7mm, small 7mm. Take this off. After this one, now right there on the top, there's the one. Take this off. So you need to take this off. You need your extension for this. After this one, you need to go down, take this right there, just pry in here. Coming out. See this? Easily it's coming out like this. And there is a star bit, T. See, this is T25 right there. So I'm gonna use this one. This one, just follow right there. There's one in here. So to take this off. 7mm right here. And then after that, we need to take the switch. This is off. Just pry from here. Pry from the back. So right here. And just pull it. See this? If you pull from here, it's not gonna come out because this thing is go like this. This, see right there. So it has to be go like inside. So after that, we need to take this connector off. Just press the tab. It's coming out. And this one as well. Just press the tab. It will come out. We need to go down all the way. See, there's a one bolt right here and one bolt right here. So I need to take those off. So another one right here. Screw after the screw, just follow over here. Another little tab, we need to take this off. See that? Right here. Star bit. This one is not really T25. This one is smaller. This is T20. See this? Or upper one is T25. That's off. After that, I think you can just put something in here and just pry it. It easily will come out. I believe that. Just pry from here. Easily it's coming. So you just pull it. See, this whole thing is coming out. So now from here as well. Later on, just grab in here and just pull it. Just pull it up. fell off. This whole thing came out. And connector right there. This, see this rubber grommet, take it off, and one in the top too. The 10mm bore right here, and two in the bottom. Just take it off. Take the other one off. So I'm gonna grab with the magnet this one. There. Take that one off. Take that out. Now I think I can take that mirror out. So see the wire, we need to take the connector out for this wire to go inside. You can open this very easily. What it has in here. You see the little two tab, one tab in here, one tab the other side. Just push it. When you push this whole thing is come out. Then there's a connector right there, and just push the tab, pull it, came out. And I'm gonna hang it like this. This is the lock, the wire from the lock. This I'm not gonna take this off. Later on, I think. Let me see this one. Pull a little bit. You see the wire. This is the for the power wire for the mirror. There's the one connector right there. Take this off. You see the connector. There was one like there was a test in here. Just push it up, just come out. And this connector, need to take this off. See, push this tab, just come out. Later on, just see little hook right there. Just take it out. And right now we can take the whole mirror out. Right there. See this? It's going to come out. So this is the identical. See the connector, the old one. This is the old one. And, when you put the glove bag, make sure the connector, this connector, put inside the hole first. Put the hole like this. So reverse is removable. Just put the mirror back. So I'm gonna tie all these three bolts. Make sure you reconnect all this connector. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.